I have ZTE Blade A602 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together these three keys: power key, volume down and volume up. Keep holding those three keys for a couple of seconds. Release all keys as soon as the Fastboot mode pops up. As you can see right here, the device is in a Fastboot mode. So now you can use the ZTE Fastboot menu, the Fastboot mode. And if you would like to simply quit this mode, let's use this trick. Let's press power key for 10 seconds. Keep holding power button. Now let's release power key as soon phone goes black and press power key again to turn back on the device. Release power key, the ZTE is switching on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now you are in a normal mode, so you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.